teacher Sabrina, and I am so excited that y'all are here. Today we're going to learn a really fun dance from Disney's Peter Pan. Yay! Has anybody seen the Peter Pan movie before? Let's watch a clip from the movie Peter Pan.
Come on, everybody. Here we go! Off to Neverland!
Think of a wonderful thought, any merry little thought. Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells, off you go like reindeer in the sky. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly.
Think of the happiest things, it's the same as having wings.
Take the path that moonbeams make.
If the moon is still awake, you'll see him wink his eye.
You can fly, you can fly, you can fly.
Awesome! I love Peter and all of his friends. Tinkerbell with her pixie dust, and Wendy and John and the Lost Boys. I love all of them so much. Perfect. So now we're going to get started with our song, You Can Fly from Peter Pan. So everybody stand up with me. Here we go. And I'm going to teach y'all the moves. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is they're going to say, think of a wonderful thought. So we're going to take one finger like this, and they're going to bounce it off of our head. And we're going to kind of bend our knees and bounce while we do this. So they're going to say, think of a wonderful thought, any merry little thought, and kind of put your arms up like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take two wide hands like this and put hands on our knees, and we're going to bounce. And we're going to say, think of Christmas, think of snow, and we're going to bounce 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to jump up like this with arms up. Perfect. Let's practice that all together now, okay? So think of Christmas, think of snow. We're going to do our bounce. Think of Christmas, think of snow, and jump up. Perfect. You got it, my friends. And then we're going to point up to the sky. So we're going to say like a reindeer in the sky. So we're going to point up like this, like a reindeer in the sky. Big arm circles. And then we're going to say, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly. So we're going to do one arm up. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly. And then I want you to jump and fly with me. Beautiful. You got it, my friends. Okay. And then we're going to take our finger for the next part and bounce it on our head. Think of the happiest things. And then the song's going to talk about having wings. So what we're going to do is flap our wings. It's the same as having wings. And then we're going to take our hands, put hands on our knees, but instead of bouncing, we're going to go side to side. And they're going to talk about the moonbeams. Beautiful. Perfect. So we're going to do this move. And then what we're going to do is we're going to point up in the sky like this. So point up in the sky. And then they're going to say, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly. So ready? Here we go. You can fly, and then flap our wings and jump. You can fly. Okay. And now in the middle, we're going to take our arms and go in a circle, and we're going to do circle arms up and circle arms down. There we go. Circle arms up, circle arms down, and then we're going to do 2 big spins. So arms out like this. 2 spins. 1, 2. You got it, my friends. Beautiful. And then we're going to end our song with hands on our heart, and we're going to walk side to side. So 2 hands on our heart and side to side, like Peter Pan is singing to us about Neverland. Beautiful. And then we're going to wave goodbye like this. And then this time for You Can Fly, we're going to do it in different parts. So we're going to do this. Ready? Watch my hands. Start down this time. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly, you can fly, and then jump. You can fly. Beautiful. You did it, my friend. And so we're just going to end our song jumping and flying and then arms out like this. Beautiful. You got it. Okay, I think y'all are ready to do Peter Pan's You Can Fly. Is everybody ready? Yay! Okay, here's our song, You Can Fly from Peter Pan. Now ready? Bounce.
Think of a wonderful thought, any merry little thought. Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells, off you go like reindeer in the sky. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly. Think of the happiest things, it's the same as having wings. Take the path that moonbeams make, if the moon is still
Yay, okay. I had so much fun in our Disney dance class today. That was amazing, dancing to Peter Pan. That was so much fun, my friends. So let me grab my best friend. And here is Mickey Mouse. Yay! Thank you for coming, Mickey, to our dance class today. Thank you, everybody, and I hope you'll have a great week. See you next week. Bye! If you'd like to check out more dance classes with Teacher Sabrina, check out my Learn Let It Go from Frozen dance class, or you can check out my Disney Dance and Exercise class, where we'll learn songs from Zootopia, Mulan, Toy Story, and more. Thanks, my friends. See you next time.